Hey guys, it's me Vaishak and today I'm going to unbox a Bluetooth speaker by Tagg. So Tagg is relatively a new company, so actually they make pretty good Bluetooth speakers and this is one of them. So this is one of the most powerful Bluetooth speaker of 10 watts. So this thing can compete with the JBL Pulse and Flip series, so it's actually pretty loud. So let's see the box. Here are all the specifications about the battery and everything, and it is water resistant, so that's a good thing. And here we have a sticker, so it says the MRP is 4,000 rupees, so you can easily get it for around 2,400 or something, and when there is offer you get it for 2,400 or 300 rupees, so that depends. So this is it on the box. The box packaging is actually really good, so let me just open it. So let's open this box. And here we have the Bluetooth speaker. I'll keep that aside for now. And here we have a charging cable, okay, that is micro USB. And we have aux cable too, so that's really good. And here we have some booklets. And this is the information booklet, a user manual, and this is the happy or not happy card. I mean, it's a feedback card. And let's get to the speaker now. So here we have the basic packaging. So the packaging is actually really good. So we have some sponge material right here. I'll just remove it off, and I'll remove it out of the polythene bag. So this is the speaker. So the build quality is actually really good, and this is the passive base radiator. Here we have some information, the FCC ID, the voltage, the serial number, the details, and here is the branding. And here we have the buttons. This is a power, and the TWS, which is true wireless. So this speaker does support true wireless, and volume minus, volume plus, and the Bluetooth symbol right here. So now let's just turn it on.
Hello.
So it gave us a hello thing.
Battery full.
It has voice feedback in it. So guys, I'm here on my phone now. So now let me just go to the Bluetooth settings. So I'll just find it. So now it's displaying Tagg Sonic Angle 1. I'll just click on it. Pair. And
You're connected.
it's connected. Now let me play some tracks, so that you can have an idea of how good the speaker is. So let me just go to Spotify. And let me just search for some NCS music to avoid copyright issues. So it's 100 on my phone, and it's 50% volume on the speaker. So I'll just take my microphone near the speaker.
No nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiar a través de la gran oscuridad y más allá. It's not about my room, my world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
As you saw guys, the audio quality is really amazing. The bass is very good, and as you saw, like when I keep the speaker like this, it starts vibrating and move forward, so that's really nice. So now let me just try the aux on this speaker. This is the aux cable which they provided, and let me just connect it here. And there is a charging port and the aux port. I'll just insert this there, and now the light starts blinking. As you can see here, means it's in aux mode. So I'll just connect it to my phone right here, and as you can see, as soon as I plugged into my aux mode, the phone automatically disconnects. I don't know how, but it automatically disconnects, and that's pretty good to save power. So now let me just play some music on aux. So as you saw guys, everything works perfectly fine. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.